Hey everyone, Technoment here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch off and on your iPhone 6s or the 6s Plus in a few different ways. So let's get started now. The simple and the easiest way to switch off your iPhone 6s Plus is going to be using the button. So you're going to locate this side or the power button. The key here is to press and hold until a menu like this pops up. So as you can see here, I was holding it for about a few seconds and this menu pops up, and then you simply slide and that will switch off the iPhone. Now, if that doesn't work for you, another method you can do is by going into your settings and then go to general and then scroll down a little bit further where it says shutdown, and that will bring up the same exact menu, and you can simply again slide it to switch it off just like that. Now when it does switch up, it does take somewhere between 10 to 15 seconds or until the screen goes completely black. And now to switch it back on, there's two different ways you can do it. Now the simple, again, the easiest is going to be using that power button. You're going to press and hold until you can see the Apple logo appear and let go. Now if that doesn't work for you, another method is by connecting it to the charger like you would charge the phone. What happens is when it's connected to a charger and it's already switched off, it will automatically switch it back on. That's just the way the iPhones are designed. So those are two different ways to switch it back on. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.